depends only on the difference v minus u. So let's say if I consider z of x comma y is some q times of y minus x, then z of u plus theta comma v plus theta will just be q times of v minus u. So, and if we consider this part, like this is not even dependent on theta. This does not depend on theta. So that means I can choose a non-zero q with mean 0 under this v minus u, and that will give me like a non-zero z value or a non-zero z function which is not 0 like everywhere for every theta. So that means like a non-trivial g with 0 expectation is also existing, so therefore it is not complete. It is sufficient, in fact like it is minimally sufficient, but it is not complete. So therefore the statement 1 is partially false because it is not complete. Now if we consider the second statement, the second statement says x1 plus xn by 2 is an MLE. So for that, like we can check like the likelihood if we consider. So the likelihood is constant, in fact like xn minus 0.5 comma x1 plus 0.5. So likelihood is constant over this interval. So any theta outside this any theta inside this interval will give us the maximum likelihood. So if I consider the midpoint of it is minus 0.5 plus x of 1 plus 0.5 divided by 2. So that is the midpoint. So in fact like that midpoint is also a maximizer of this likelihood. So therefore midpoint is an MLE. So that means so like even the second statement is correct. So therefore like option B is the correct answer.